What if I told you that you're probably using ChatGPT at only 10% of what it's actually capable of? Most people type one simple question, get an average answer, and never realize ChatGPT is capable of so much more. So today, I'm going to show you 5 secret ChatGPT prompts that can completely change the way you work, learn, write, and create content. And don't miss prompt number 5. It's the one I personally use almost every day, and honestly, it feels like having a full-time AI assistant working for free. Let's jump into prompt number 1, expert mode prompt. Here's a mistake almost everyone makes. They ask ChatGPT a question without telling it who it should be. Instead of saying, "How do I grow my YouTube channel?" simply use this prompt. Here's why this works. ChatGPT performs much better when you define its role. Instead of acting like a general AI, it starts responding like a specialist. The answers become more detailed, more practical, and much easier to apply. But here's the interesting part. You can make ChatGPT improve almost anything you've already written. And that's prompt number 2, improve anything prompt. Most people tell ChatGPT, rewrite this. And honestly, that's why they get boring results. Instead, give it clear instructions by using this prompt. But what if ChatGPT could actually become your personal teacher? This next prompt completely changes the way you learn. Prompt number 3, learn faster prompt. If you've ever tried learning something complicated, you know how frustrating it can be. Articles are too technical, videos are too long, and tutorials usually skip important steps. This prompt fixes all of that. Just say you want to learn. Instead of dumping a wall of information, ChatGPT teaches you one concept at a time. The next prompt turns ChatGPT into something most people never realize. It can become a professional research analyst. And if you're a student, business owner, or content creator, you're going to love this one. Prompt number 4, deep research prompt. Here's something most people do wrong. They ask ChatGPT, tell me about electric cars. That's way too broad. Instead, make ChatGPT think like a professional research analyst by using this prompt. Now imagine you're making a YouTube video about AI agents. Instead of spending an hour jumping between websites, ChatGPT gives you a structured report with trends, opportunities, risks, and follow-up questions. That means less time researching and more time creating. But here's the interesting part. The best creators don't stop at research. They build systems, and that's exactly what this last prompt helps you do. Prompt number 5. The ultimate AI assistant prompt. This is the prompt I use the most because instead of asking ChatGPT one question at a time, I turn it into my personal productivity coach. Just use this ultimate prompt. Let me show you how powerful this is. Imagine you type, I want to start a YouTube channel about AI. Instead of saying, that's a great idea, ChatGPT creates a roadmap. It helps you choose a niche, plan your first 10 videos, build a posting schedule, suggest thumbnail ideas, create content goals, and even keeps you accountable by asking what you've completed. It feels less like chatting with AI and more like having a personal coach available 24/7, and that's exactly why this prompt is so valuable. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI-related video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.